Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the font size in this device. Simply go to settings, then scroll down, tap on the option display and brightness. Then here you can see the option text size. Tap on this one. So here you can adjust the text size. Okay, now let me show you. You can see the text. When I adjust this one, you can see the text size here. You can see it is changing. You can see the change, you can see here, right? So simply in this way you can change the text size in this device. So in case if you want to make this text as bold, then turn on this option bold text. Turn on this option. Now you can see it is in bold text. So simply in this way you can change the font size in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.